If you're wondering if there's something like a game turbo on a Motorola Moto G15, first of all, let's try to find the Motorola settings somewhere around here. Sometimes Motorola provides things like a game turbo or game mode, but sadly in this case we don't have this Motorola gaming or whatever app they have. And next thing we can try is actual settings. So inside of the settings we can browse through different things. First thing we can check is the battery, and sometimes in the battery you can change performance mode to gaming, but in this case we don't have it. Next is to go to the system, as I found something there that may improve your game performance. It's basically a performance tab, and right here you can activate the RAM boost and put it up to 60 gigabytes, which will increase performance of your device. It's not strict game mode, but it will give you some performance. Make sure to restart your phone after you pick one of those settings. And that is basically everything. There's no game mode, but you can adjust RAM boost or RAM extension on this device.